Meet Safeguard, your dedicated backup and restore solution for Cisco Meraki networks. It keeps your configuration safe, secure, and ready to recover at a moment's notice. Getting started is simple. Add your organizations, pick the networks or templates you want to back up, and Safeguard does the rest. In just a few clicks, you've locked in a snapshot of your network's configuration settings. These backups can be triggered automatically or on demand. With compliance alerts, you'll know instantly if any configuration parameter changes, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Safeguard stores snapshots like a reliable safety belt, ready whenever you need to restore your network. When issues arise, you can easily compare any 2 points in time side by side, seeing exactly what changed and who made each modification. And if something goes wrong, you can quickly roll back to any previous state. Whether it's your full configuration or just specific settings, restoring your network stability with just a few clicks. When the unexpected happens, Safeguard has your back. From simple misconfigurations to complex incidents, it helps you bounce back fast, keeping your operation steady and stress-free. Experience true peace of mind. Get started with Safeguard today and ensure your Meraki environment stays secure, compliant, and in control no matter what comes your way.